Welcome to Make Food Thy Medicine. This is Dr. Bijal Dave. So guys, since fall is here, I was thinking of making a fall favorite. I was thinking along the lines of orange, cranberry and pecan muffin. A lot of people add cranberries to it, but I'm not a huge fan of cranberries, and neither is my family members. But yeah, this is a great tasting muffin because we add lots of orange zest to it, and it's made with a combination of almond flour and wheat flour. So you can use this as a breakfast muffin. You can give this as an after school snack to your kids, and this can also be used as as a replacement to lunch in case you forgot lunch and you just happen to carry it with you. Okay, so let's go over the ingredients. So guys, here I have 1 cup of sprouted whole wheat flour. This gives us about 4 grams of protein per cup, and this is 1 cup of blanched almond flour, super fine. This gives us 6 grams of protein. So there's about 10 grams of protein right here. I'm also using the juice of 1 orange. This is freshly squeezed juice. And these are 2 big oranges, and I have zested them. Now if you can see, this is a lot of zest, and I like to put a lot of zest because it makes the muffins very flavorful. This is 5 tablespoons of maple syrup. This is all we are going to use to sweeten. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. I have 1 tablespoon of cardamom powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger powder. So it has a lot of warm spices. Half a tablespoon of nutmeg powder, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. I have 1 tablespoon of hemp seeds and a pinch of salt in there, and a few pecans to just for garnishing. And this is 1 tablespoon of yogurt. This is plain yogurt, not Greek yogurt. Okay, so let's start making the muffins. So guys, you see that I got a lot of orange zest in here. Now I'm going to mix all the wet ingredients. So I'm going to add the orange juice to the zest. Okay, and then I'm going to add the coconut oil. This is 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Maple syrup, 5 tablespoons, and the yogurt, 1 tablespoon of yogurt. And all I'm going to do is mix it all very well. Okay, so now that the wet ingredients are done, I'm going to mix the 2 flours together, mix them very well. And then we'll add all the dry ingredients, the spices in there, and form a nice homogeneous mixture. So this is done here. Now I'm going to add the ginger powder, the chia seeds and salt. Oh, these guys stuck on the bottom. All right. The cinnamon powder, it's 1 tablespoon. Nutmeg powder. So all the spices are in here. Now I'm going to add the cardamom powder, and I'll just give it all a good mix. Sorry, that was my phone ringing in the background earlier. So once we mix them all well, then we'll add the bowl of wet ingredients. The oven has already been preheating to 350 degrees. So now this is done. I'm going to add all the wet ingredients inside. I'll make a well and add it. Just make sure you get all the zest because that's where the flavor comes from. Now we're going to mix it all nicely. So guys, remember I said that I put 5 tablespoons of maple syrup in there for sweetening. If you need slightly more level of sweet, you can add up to 7 to 8 tablespoons. This makes mildly sweet muffins. Or you can increase the amount of freshly squeezed orange juice. Okay. Now I have lined my muffin pan, and I'm just going to spoon these in there. So this makes 5 big muffins. And now I'm going to decorate this. Now at this point, if you want, you can add cranberries. but like I said earlier, I'm going to stay away from it, but I'll make a little, you know, I'll decorate it with my pecans, my favorite nut. So guys, you see these muffins are looking so cute. Now it makes about 5 of them, and they are going inside the oven for at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Check if the center comes out clean. That means that they are done. So guys, the orange cardamom and pecan muffins are out of the oven, and see how gorgeous they look. Now I'm going to give it a taste, okay? So guys, my orange cardamom and pecan muffins are ready, and I'm loving how amazing they look and smell, okay, the aroma. So I'm going to give it a taste now. You can taste the orange because of the zest and the orange juice, the cardamom flavor, a little bit of ginger, and the warm spices. This is such an amazing muffin, guys, and it's a perfect breakfast or after school snack. So I would love for you to try this and give me your feedback, and definitely check out my other recipes on Instagram, YouTube, as well as Facebook. And of course, you can log on to my website www.makefoodthymedicine.com. So until next time, I'll see you.